welcome to Glitterati. I'm Manu Ahmed. We are here at the launch of L'Oreal in Pakistan. L'Oreal is the world's largest cosmetic and beauty brand, so it's a very big event. We are very excited to be here, and we are about to see a style show by stylist Nabila. And also, L'Oreal today is going to reveal and introduce the faces that have embraced L'Oreal, and they are the brand ambassadors for the country. I don't know about you, but I'm very excited to see who they are. So anyways, let's go on in, enjoy the show, and hopefully we'll catch all the celebrities later on the black carpet. We are here with the lovely Misha. How does it feel?
It feels great. I'm very proud. It feels very flattering, and it's very prestigious. This is big. This is huge. Just the fact that they're here, they're finally in Pakistan and they've entered our market is great. But to be on board and to be representing them is very flattering, and I'm very, very honored.
And how do you think your personal image will help the image of L'Oreal, the brand in Pakistan?
I stand for all kinds of, I believe in strength, I believe in intelligence, I believe in substance. And I think the four of us here today represent all of that. We are very hardworking. We have come a long way. We have struggled and achieved, most of what we set out to do, and we're still going strong. So to be a part of L'Oreal, and I think our beliefs and our way of life is very in sync to the brand, and they represent, L'Oreal stands for all kinds of beauty. How you feel about yourself, how you are from the inside out, if you're hardworking, and there are many, many ways to be beautiful. It doesn't have anything to do with age, it doesn't have anything to do with physical beauty necessarily, and we stand for all of that.
Do you have any other activities after today that are planned for you to sort of enhance, for you to increase brand awareness in Pakistan?
Definitely, we're going to be working very closely with the brand throughout the coming year, and we've got about 15 activities to be exact, and we're going to be having these, hosting these, carrying these out, talking to people, making them aware of the products, of what L'Oreal stands for, the spirit of the company, and it's going to be a busy year, but it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be very glamorous and full of beauty, and you're going to benefit from it because L'Oreal has anything and everything that you need.
Well, we wish you all the best, and before you go, please say the pose for us, and you have to say the L'Oreal motto for us.
L'Oreal, because I'm worth it.
Lovely. Hi Adnan, how are you?
I'm really well, thank you.
So you were the MC for the evening, and that's quite an honor. How does it feel?
It is quite an honor. It's nice to be, working with L'Oreal. It's fantastic to have them in Pakistan, and it's really exciting. I think these days we feel a little bit cut off from the world. Things aren't quite the way we'd like them to be, not so peachy. So having international brands come in, especially beauty brands like L'Oreal, makes me really happy, and it's great to be here.
Yes, L'Oreal indeed is huge. It's a huge brand. It is as large as it can get. It's the biggest beauty brand in the world. What do you think? How do you think L'Oreal would influence the local beauty and cosmetics market in Pakistan?
Well, I'm no expert, nor am I a woman, but from my understanding, I think also like getting, they have a fantastic for their spokespersons are amazing. I think they're young, they're very talented, they are doing amazing things, they're going to do even better things, and they're not just models, they're multi-talented, diverse people. So I think a lot of people are going to be looking at them. I think working in tandem with Nabila also, I think, like what she did today, very avant-garde, it was like an installation art piece. So I think L'Oreal has made the right associations in Pakistan, and already internationally is so well regarded. I think it's going to do really, really well, and I think it's going to make a big difference because at the end of the day, Pakistani women are very beautiful, and you're case in point. But
Thank you.
I think beauty enhancing products are really and good quality ones are really going to make a huge impact on the market.
So, do you think L'Oreal is going to give Unilever a run for its money, or they're just completely different brands?
Well, I really can't speak on that. I think they're very different brands. Each of them have their own very, unique and diverse product range. I think, the pie is getting bigger. That's what's exciting. We need more like free market in this country. So let's have all kinds of products here. And, the good ones will sustain themselves.
How about the brand ambassadors tonight? What do you think of them, and how do you think they will help to enhance or to sort of, just help the image of L'Oreal in Pakistan?
Well, I think L'Oreal's chosen very interesting spokespeople in Pakistan. These 4 ladies are all involved with fashion, but peripherally are doing many other things. They're all very beautiful. They're all very, very intelligent as well, and they've got the fingers in a lot of pies. And I think that's the quintessential L'Oreal woman. And again, what I love is that they're young. We're grooming younger people to take on the mantle. It's sort of like the Pakistan cricket team. Very exciting. I think they're wonderful spokespeople, and I think the brand will grow in Pakistan along with these girls as they sort of also become, mega superstars.
It was a pleasure speaking with you, Anand. Thank you.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
Hi, Anushay. How are you today?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
Very well. So tell me, what did you think of the show, and what did you think of Nabila changes?
I always love Nabila changes, and I was just telling somebody else also that when Nabila makes a change, it looks good no matter how it looks, So it was one of those things. They were looking great. About the show, L'Oreal has launched in a huge way. I'd like to welcome them to Pakistan, and I hope they have a good time here. But like I said, when I came in, I was pretty surprised to see the scale of the show. It was huge. So good to know that they've come in a big way. They are a big brand, and they should do that.
Do you personally endorse L'Oreal?
I do to a certain extent. I'm not very familiar with their skin products, but I've used their hair products, shampoos, hair dyes and stuff, and it's a good product, for sure.
Okay, great. It was a pleasure speaking with you like always. Thank you.